You are welcome to Kismas with Mr. Osita. In this video, we'll be talking about ratio. Now, what is ratio? Ratio is the comparison between two or more quantities of the same units. Let's look at this. We say a ratio is the comparison between two or more quantities of the same units. It shows how many times one number contains another. For example, if there are 8 oranges and 6 apples in a basket of fruits, then the ratio of oranges to apples will be 8:6, which means ratio of oranges to apples 8:6, because we have 8 oranges and we have 6 apples. Or it will be 8 all over 6. We have the factor of 8 and 6 is 2. So you use 2 to divide this to get 4. You use 2 to divide 6 to get 3. Now, you can arrange it this way. 4 is to the ratio of 3, or 4 over 3. Alright, let's look at this example. We are talking about expressing quantities as a ratio in their simplest form. Alright, now let's look at this. We have example, express 0.08 as a ratio term. Express 0.08 as a ratio term. Now what we have to do here is to convert it to fraction. Now we have this one as a whole number, then after the point is a decimal number. So we have this one as tenths, and we have this one as hundredths, which is 8 over 100. We have 8 all over 100. Now we have what? We have the factor of 8 and 100, which is 4. So we divide it by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Then, which is 8 divided by 4 will give us 2, and 100 divided by 4 will give us 25. So our answer will now become 2 over 25, or 2 to the ratio of 25. Now let's look at the second one. The second one says, express 4 days to 2 weeks as what? Ratios. Express 4 days to 2 weeks as ratios. Now we have 4 days to the ratio of 2 weeks. Now remember that when we talk of ratio, we say ratio is the comparison between two quantities of the same units. Now when you look at this, you find that they are not in the same units. One is in days and the other is in week. So what you have to do is to change these days to these weeks to days. Therefore we have 4 days. Changing 2 weeks to days, we say 7 days make 1 week. So in 2 weeks, it should be 14 days. So we have 14 days. So which is now 4 over 14. Now we have the factor of 4 and 14. Of 4 and 14 is 2. So you divide both sides by 2. To divide this one by 2. So 4 divided by 2 will give you 2 all over. 4 divided by 2 will give you what? 7. So we have the final answer as 2:7, or 2 over 7. This becomes our answer. So we are looking at the evaluation questions. We say, express the following as ratios. We have 1 as 25 to 75, 25 to 75. We have the second one as 20 cm to 2 meters. 20 cm to 2 meters. Now remember that we say ratio is the comparison of two or more quantities of the same units. Now when you look at the units, both of them, they are not the same. One is in cm and the other is in meters. So what you have to do, you convert 2 meters to cm. When you are converting this, you multiply it by 100 because we say 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. When you do this, you find the factor of the two ratios you are comparing and you get your answer right. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or share the video.